U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder and Housing Secretary Sean Donovan will be speaking to reporters in Washington at this hour. They're supposed to announce a deal with the nation's biggest mortgage lenders over foreclosure practices. This is important for Bank of America, for Citi, for so many of the financial firms. And our Nichols has been on top of the breaking story all morning. He's at the White House. Hans?
Margaret, good morning. The current number for this settlement is at $26 billion, but that could grow to $40 billion if 9 more service providers sign on. And if the White House and the Justice Department gets everyone to sign on, it could grow to a total of $45 billion. Here's what the settlement between Citi, Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, and Ally Financial would look like. It's between them and the states. $5 billion in total in cash for the participating states, $17 billion in mortgage debt forgiveness and loan modifications, then $3 billion just towards refinancing. It would allow borrowers to lock into those historic low rates, and then $1.5 billion to be distributed between those 750 homeowners who lost their homes to foreclosure between September 08 and the end of 2011. It would mean just about $2,000 per household, maybe as low, Margaret, as $1,500 per household. Banks need to spend the money within 3 years or else they would face fines. But this, Margaret, it bears mentioning, will just affect a fraction of homeowners. When you look at the some 48 million mortgages that are out there, nearly 11 million are currently underwater. And this settlement, Margaret, it would only help 1.3 million. Now, Florida did get on board last night. That's going to provide the president a big boost in a state that, at least in some of the maps his political advisors have, say he has to win. But this isn't going to be any massive settlement in terms of totally changing the housing calculation. It will provide a little additional stimulus, especially in those states that the president needs to win.